Okay, everyone, in this tutorial, I will share to all of you about how to use the Drape tools to adjust the contour shape. Okay, first of all, we have to select a few toolbars, and then we have to select the sandbox. We have to select the sandbox. Wait, I just wanna. Okay, this is the sandbox. Okay, and close, and we get it. Okay, then we have to use this from scratch. Then we can click in here, and then we can set the length. We can set the length right here. Uh, it's approximately like this, and then we can set the depth of the line. Okay, this one. First of all, we have to set the boundaries. We have to set the boundaries of our landscape by using a line. Maybe it's just for example. So all of you have to measure about the dimension of your land site or your landscape anyway. So I just make this example. This is about the shape of the landscape or shape of the site of the project, maybe this one. Okay, this is about the landscape and this is about the contour. And I want to make the contour. I want to make the contour line in this area. Okay, so I want to separate this object first. I have to move it to the bottom first. Okay, by using the move this one, and then I just click this one and right click and explode it. Okay, then we can use the smooth and then click, and then we can set the radius on the right bottom corner. Right here you can see about this. This radius is 10 meter or 10,000 millimeter. Okay, so approximately I just put the uh, contour design or the concept of the contour. Uh, it's based on the project survey. So you have to visit your project land, and then you can use these tools to adjust your contour line on your contour site project. Okay, this one. Okay, I mean it's enough, and then we can using this. Okay, we can click this plane and then right click and erase, and then we can move it to the top. We can move it to the top by using the move tool right here, and then we can just triple click in this position, and then we can use Drape tool. Okay, we can use Drape tool and then just click in this position, just click. Okay, so we can get the boundaries that linear with this outline. Okay, we can check about it. I have to select this one, then we have to select move and move into the bottom. Okay, so we can get the linear and straight. We can get the constraint and linear about the boundaries that we have made before. Okay, this is a um, linear perfect. This is a perfect linear in the top of the contour, so you have no worries um, about the misplacement. This is a correct placement, and this is a perfect linear from the top. Okay, this is the drape tool used on this SketchUp to optimize your contour line based on your data. Okay, okay, and then we have to delete for some unnecessary boundaries. We have to delete for unnecessary boundaries like this. First of all, we have to select this one, and we have to select one by one like this. We have to select one by one in this position. Okay, and then we have to delete it, and we have to delete it also this one. Okay, then we can delete it also in this position, and we can delete it Okay, we can erase for manually one by one of another unnecessary plane right there, unnecessary contour plane. We have to delete it because we have to adjust about the plane shape of our desired of based on this design. Okay, we have to delete it, and then we have to delete it all until it clean. Until it clean, we have to delete it until it clean, and we have to delete it. Okay, it's clear. It's clear, and it has a perfect placement from the boundaries that we have made before. Okay, this is a correct placement right there. So then we can select it all, and we can adjust for the materials by select the material as we want by, and then click this one, or click this one about the material. Okay, maybe just it just like this position. Okay, I think it's enough. Thanks for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and just wait for my next tutorial in this channel. Have a good day.